This could be the smallest one-to-one scale model kit you will ever see. And I'm going to review it and build it. Right then, here we go. This is the Tossfix Housefly one-to-one scale model kit. And it's basically the size of a matchbox. And you turn on the edge, it will say there, Tossfix Housefly one-to-one model kit by Modern Toss. If you look on the back here, it tells you here the housefly is one of the greatest creatures ever invented. They are a world famous for being sick on their food before they eat it. Their natural habitat is a normal home, but they are equally at ease in a palace or a shed. This model can be hung from your ceiling with some thin wire, and don't choke on the little bits. So anyways, let's open it up. There you go. And inside you get this. You get a little bit of flocking for the hair, which I thought was quite interesting. And you get an instruction sheet on how to build this kit. There you are. Very small. So there you go, it's telling you there you need to put the thorax and the legs together, and then you add the eyes and the tongue, then you assemble that all together, and then it's telling you to paint it black, 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 and white dots for the eyes. And it does say you can glue on some wings, which come in this little, if I can get it out, little sticker. Bring it up to the camera so you can see. It's like a little sticker. Incredible. Inside you do actually get a little sprue of parts. Which, as you can see, is 3D printed. Let's get into camera shot. So it is 3D printed. There's part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. Easy. There you go. It's tiny, isn't it? And so you would clip these little parts off and then spray it up. Just quickly jumping in before I build this housefly, I'd like to ask a bit of a favour. If you are enjoying the content on this channel and are not yet a subscriber, will you please consider becoming a subscriber? It really does help the channel and it's completely free. All you've got to do is click subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. Right, let's go and build this housefly. So here I am snipping off the parts for this little housefly. So I'm started off with the body and then the legs, as you can see. And because it's a little bit rough and uneven, I get a sanding stick and I just clean up that edge, ready to put the super glue on. I do it on both parts and then put a little dollop of super glue or super duper onto the thorax and onto the legs, and I just basically push them together and let them set. So there's the thorax and the legs together, and you can see it goes together rather well. A little bit of a gap, but I'm not too worried. You won't see it really. It's tiny. It really is tiny. So now look at the instructions. You've got the eyes and the tongue, which I snip off again with a craft knife. A little bit of glue in that little recess there. Twist the tongue around into position and then push it together, and hopefully, as you can see, it dries in line. So there we have the body and the head, or the eyes and the tongue, and now it's ready to glue together to make one little housefly. So I attach a little bit of super glue there, just a tiny bit on a cocktail stick, just enough to attach the eyes, and then you can manipulate it into position, and it does sit quite snugly in that recess for where the eyes are to the body. You can see me there just adjusting it, and then it will dry ready for paint. So a pair of reverse angle tweezers holding on the leg there, and I spray it with 1500 primer, black primer from Mr. Colour. As you can see, just give it a really good coat all the way around, making it completely black. There I'm doing the eyes and the tongue, and yeah, just basically airbrushing that primer on. And so I give it 2 coats, and then I go over and do the leg that has the tweezers holding that leg. So then I attach a little bit of super glue to the back of the fly there, and you can see a transparent pair of wings that I attach to the body, and there's like a little dimple there that you can fit around, and as soon as the super glue is attached, it dries pretty quick, and there you have the fly with the body. And in the meantime, I do put some flocking on it to give it some hair on the legs, which I forgot to film, or I filmed it off camera I should say. But yeah, there it is, all done, all sprayed up, ready to go. And the only thing I have to do now is paint the eyes white. So I get my AK marker and just go around the eyes and paint them in. And then there you see that, basically all built, ready to fly. Also put somewhere on a display where you've got a flower, or maybe one of those fake joke dog turds. Now, to be honest with you, this kit, it is what it is. It's 4 little parts. You get a little pair of wings, you get a bit of flocking to put some hair on it. It's a simple build. It's very, very unique. As I said, it's 3D printed, and also it costs £18. I know it's a lot of money. It's a novelty thing. It's something that you would find and you might give as a Secret Santa gift to someone you may know who likes scale modeling. I had a little bit of fun with it. I did do, if you want to see the build in full, I did it live streams. I was trying out a new camera at the time, which I'll link either there or there, so you can go and have a look at that if you so wish. But yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments about this type of kit. You know, you've got Airfix bringing out those flowers in 1:1 scale, and on those flowers will be little bugs and caterpillars and stuff. But yeah, for what it is, it's a novelty. Yeah, it's from a website called Modern Toss, and you know the logo says there it's Tossfix. It's kind of like a play. It's even got the red, white, and black of a logo that we so love and dearly cherish. Like, but as I said, there's a bit of fun. But I'd love to know your thoughts on this. As I said, I'll link in the description box below where I bought it from. I think it's about £1.90 on postage on that. But yeah, it's a novelty thing. It's a bit of fun, and yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments box below. That's it from me. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, and click all to be notified when I release a new video. Huge shout out go to my channel members who help me financially with this channel. If you'd like to become a channel member, click join below and select which membership tier you so wish. In one of the 4 corners will be a playlist or another video of other content from this channel you may like to watch, and hopefully I will see you over there.